lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, I'm going to tell you a little bit about my Christmas table for 2020. I'm using the colors red, white, and silver. I'm doing a traditional table. And for my foundation, I'd just like to say that I started off with a white and silver tablecloth. And the tablecloth came from Big Lots. And on top of my tablecloth, for my centerpiece, for my runner, I have a red runner. And I picked that up at the Dollar Tree. Back to my place setting, I have my wreath charger. It is in the color silver, and they're from Walmart. And my plate set, which is a plate and a dessert plate, which is from the Dollar Tree. And my napkin, which is a red napkin. It's a satin napkin, and it's from Mart. And I just have some red sequins scattered on it to just give it a little sparkle. And for my napkin ring, I have a DIY. This is an ornament from the Dollar Tree. It is a cross with a little diamond in the middle. And I just DIY'd that. And over here, I have a candy cane that I just placed on each setting, which I have a setting of 4. And all the settings are the same. And over here for my silverware, I have a Dollar Tree napkin, and I have the Dollar Tree silverware in it. And just to spark up that white, I decided to add a red ornament ribbon here. And for my glassware, I have this beautiful crystal wine glass from the Dollar Tree. And I also have a white candle And this is also from the Dollar Tree that I DIY'd some sequins, some silver sequins around. Over here I have a red tree over here from the Dollar Tree I got last year. And I have a silver one on the other side as well. Now to my centerpiece. My centerpiece is a DIY. And I just did that in a video. And I will make sure if you would like to make one for yourself, I will leave the link down in my description box below. And that's what my centerpiece looks like. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And I'll show you start to finish how I made that. Just check out that link below. Also for my centerpiece, I have my red reindeers here. And they are from Walmart. I have one on this side, a standing one. And I also have one that's sitting down. In the back of that, I have my DIY. I will also leave this link in the bottom of my description box if you would like to make one for yourself. It's a DIY candle holder, and I just have a tea light in there, and it's mirrored with some glass pieces. And the floral arrangements are from the Dollar Tree. I have different arrangements in here. And for my other DIY candle, it's a little different. It's mirrored with the gem band. And I have a tea light at the bottom of that one as well. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe. Push that like button. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to share the video with all your family and friends. I hope this gave you some ideas and some inspiration for your Christmas tablescape. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.